Stand tall and proud. The Point Bolivar Lighthouse in Texas has been a beacon of hope and history since 1872, guiding ships through Galveston Bay for 61 years until 1933. Rising 117 feet, it's the tallest historic lighthouse in Texas and one of only two iron giants left in the state. Its third-order frontal lens now dazzling visitors at the Smithsonian. But this isn't just a lighthouse, it's a survivor. In 1900, during the deadliest hurricane in U.S. history, it sheltered over 125 people who braved waist-deep water to reach its safety, while 85 others tragically perished. Imagine the stories. Some even met and married years later, their love forged in the storm's shadow. Fast forward to 1915, another monster hurricane hit, with winds hitting 126 miles per hour. The lighthouse swayed 12 inches, but the keeper manually turned the lens when the mechanism failed, saving 61 souls until the oil was washed away by an 11-foot surge. It's like something out of a movie. Even in 2008, Hurricane Ike couldn't take it down. It lost its finial, and nearby buildings were wrecked. But this iron sentinel stood firm against 8 feet of floodwater. Oh, and get this. Back in 1917, it was accidentally shelled by artillery during a foggy day, but no one was hurt, proving just how tough it really is. This lighthouse isn't just about storms. It's haunted, they say. Legends of Civil War violence and hurricane tragedies linger, with locals reporting eerie presences. It's been on the National Register of Historic Places and starred in a 1970 movie, My Sweet Charlie. Today, the Bolivar Point Lighthouse Foundation is restoring its black and white stripes, first seen in over 75 years, aiming to open it to the public. It's not just a landmark, it's a symbol of resilience, community, and Texas grit that refuses to fade. Don't scroll past this story. It's too incredible to miss.